Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an Excel sheet from AppScript, sorry, VB update. So initially the requirement was a little bit small and we were pulling some data from the man tab and magic tab into the MC tab using this macro button. So what we are basically doing, we were matching the SQs from both of the sheets and we have already set up which column we need and those columns get spread out on this MC sheet right in here. So these are the, I think 12 columns, 13 columns. Okay, so now we have a little change in the code and now we want to pull the relevant details. And so yes, we are matching the SQs and pulling the data, but where there is another change in this, and we'll be using the category, subcategory, and superstructures to match from the man tab to the magic tab and pull out the Google product or category entry against the matching category, subcategory, and superstructure combination. So let me show you. Let me clear this on the MC. I'm clearing this manually just to show you that it is working. So if I'll click this button, run macro, and now I'll go back to the MC sheet. Now you can see it's showing the Google product and category. Now let's match this one, the category, subcategory for the first one. So I'll go back to the first one. Here we can match truck and box truck. So we need a combination of trucks and box trucks in this sheet in here. So this is the first one where the box truck and truck is the first one and it's pulling the equals 1. Here it is, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then again equals comes in on the row number 11. Let's see, row number 11. Yeah, this is exactly again the same. Truck, box trucks, these are the two same, and these are exactly giving the same unique ID, which is sorry, in here. So you can see equal 1, and this for this one as well, it should be on row number 13, it should be also box trucks. The other change, these, let's check for this one, truck skip load truck and truck skip load truck. Here it is, and it's equals 2. So now let's try trucks equal trucks, which is on row number 12. It should be on row number 12 equals 2. Similarly on here on row number 3 is equals to, it means it should also be trucks and skip load truck. So yep, this is working fine, and these are the results. And yes, we are not using any columns on the right side, so no worries about any changes made. So everything is done within the code. So that is it from my side. Please review this and let me know. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.